Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and creating the workspace. Sign into Azure CLI, select your subscription, and create or pick a resource group. This ties billing and access. Once done, provision an Azure machine learning workspace in the chosen region and attach storage. Create a compute instance for interactive development and a separate compute cluster for training. Make sure to install the Azure ML SDK in a fresh Python environment so your code runs reproducibly and dependencies stay isolated. You now prepare data, code, and execution. Register datasets to the workspace and attach data stores for secure access. Version datasets so changes are traceable. Define experiments that point to training scripts and pin environments with YAML to capture dependencies. Submit runs to the right compute target, monitor logs and metrics in the studio. Once stable, compose pipeline steps for preprocessing, training, and evaluation so you can reuse them and orchestrate distributed jobs across compute clusters efficiently. You finish by registering the trained model and preparing an inference environment that matches training dependencies. Test locally in a container, then deploy to AKS or a managed endpoint with proper resource and auto-scale settings. Validate latency and correctness with sample queries. Enable logging and application insights for observability. If something fails, check the endpoint logs, container startup errors, and environment mismatch. Make sure scoring scripts use the same package versions. Finally, automate CI/CD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.